Season's greetings. Welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for popping by. I have got a new technique I want to try today. I'm using leftover paint, so I did quite a large canvas yesterday for a client. I did video it, but I don't want to put the video up until the client's actually taken delivery of that painting, which should happen towards the end of hopefully next week. It could be the week after, we'll see. What is the new technique that I want to try? I discovered a artist on YouTube called Tiffany Remy, and I apologize if I've got your last name wrong. I link up here to Tiffany's channel. She's brilliant, she's lovely, she is she's so light, and she does my kind of paintings where they're just very sort of simplistic to look at, they're very peaceful to look at, and I just like her paintings. Brilliant. She's been using the wedge. I have a Catalyst wedge. I have the 04. You've seen me use this when I've been using my modelling paste. And the other day when I was in IKEA, I found this. Now this is like a pastry cutter or a dough cutter, but it's silicone. It's quite bendy. And so I thought, hey, see if we can use it on paint. Now, one thing I do know from watching Tiffany and knowing how I use my wedge, these wedges are quite heavy, and I think I'm going to have to be careful and be quite light-handed with it, but we'll see. I wanted to try it because I'm quite intrigued by it. So I have got leftover paints, as I said, from yesterday. The base I've mixed because I didn't have enough paint to make a base. So my base is Pebeo silver with a pea-sized sort of drop of Paynes Grey, which has given me a really light pewter colour. I've also got Cassart white and black, Pebeo silver. I have Arteza pearl pistachio, and I've also got a mix of the Pthalo and Rowney System 3 Pthalo Turquoise, and also the metallic Lustre paint, and this is Peacock feathers, and I've mixed these two together with beautiful colour. And I just want to say I'm quite enjoying using the Pthalo and Rowney System 3 as well. They're quite interesting to use. So the paints, apart from the base, the paints are mixed with the Liquitex gloss medium, and then the base were mixed with Floetrol or Aerotrol, as we call it here in the UK, and then with water to mix. I will explain all that down in the, I think I said downstairs, down in the description. And I am going to just get on with some painting already. I'll catch you down on the canvas.
brightest before the dawn. They say when stars will refuse to shine. Right when you turn the corner, across the border's always someone else's landslide. If I slip and fall or lose it all after everything I've seen, though my ears have heard, still I haven't learned everything I need to set me free. Believe my eyes would tell me what's not real. Can't help to be somebody else. I love the way that feels. Can't compare myself, save my mental health, get my thoughts out openly. The journey's all unknown, theirs is not my own. Can you tell me what I need to set me
I need to practice a bit more, I think. I definitely. And also, the problem I found was the base colour was swallowing up the other paints. So I think I might need to use thicker paints. It's a learning curve, and I'm going to enjoy the journey.